Guys, after 14 years of trucking, I'm realizing this job is killing me. Quite literally. Having some trouble with my body and everything. Got hurt a couple times. And not to mention just the mental health. But it's not just trucking. It's pretty much any blue collar job that is this physically demanding. I pull a flatbed. I don't swing doors. And I don't need the money. I don't need the job. I can go get a regular job and be good and live life. But here is the paradox for blue collar workers. I won't say it becomes your identity, but it becomes your purpose in life. If you let it. And if you just spend 10 years doing anything, just 80 hours a week, it's just going to become your life, unfortunately. I'm not one of these truckers out here that thinks that, oh, trucking's all that, and, I wear my trucker hat. Oh, I guess I got a hat. But talk on the CB all the time and this and that and say 10-4 instead of yes in regular conversations and stuff like that. I'm not. And I probably was when I first started because it's all I ever wanted to do. But just like with a lot of other blue collar jobs, it just becomes your identity, unfortunately, when you do it so much. But not only your identity, you almost just get addicted to it because it's just that feeling of accomplishing something. Whereas if you're an accountant or something, or whatever, receptionist, desk job, you could be replaced, and your job doesn't have that immediate satisfaction of, okay, I just delivered this load, or I just look at that nice weld I just did, or plumber, I just fixed the pipes or something like that. Your job as a blue collar guy or gal has like an immediate reward, and that's almost what makes it addicting. So understand this: if you guys are going to get a blue collar job, it might just end up encompassing your whole life, unfortunately.